In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Campaigns. Zoho Campaigns is an email marketing service designed to help you streamline your marketing efforts and enhance your communication with your audience. It is packed with features that can help you create, send, and monitor your marketing campaigns efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore the various functionalities it offers. When you first log into Zoho Campaigns, you'll land on the dashboard. Think of it as your control center. This is where you can see an overview of all your recent activities, from the most recently sent campaigns to upcoming tasks that need your attention. The dashboard keeps you informed at a glance and is the perfect place to start your journey into email marketing. Navigating next to the Campaigns section, you'll find where all the action takes place. Here, you can create and manage your campaigns. Creating a campaign is straightforward, thanks to Zoho's intuitive design. You can start by choosing an email template that suits your campaign's theme, or create your own design from scratch. Once you have your design ready, setting up the content is key. Add engaging subject lines, personalize your emails for your recipients, and review your content to make sure it's compelling. After setting your content, you'll be ready to schedule your campaign or send it right away, depending on your strategy and timeline. Now, let's talk about managing your contacts. Zoho Campaigns provides a robust system to manage your subscriber lists. You can import your contacts easily by uploading spreadsheets or syncing with various CRM tools. It's important to organize your contacts into different lists or segments based on particular criteria, such as demographic information or engagement levels. This allows you to target your campaigns more effectively, ensuring your message reaches the right audience. Moving over to automation, this is where you can truly enhance your marketing efforts. Automation allows you to set up workflows for repetitive tasks, such as sending welcome emails to new subscribers or following up with leads. By automating these processes, you not only save time, but also ensure a consistent engagement strategy with your audience. If you run an online store, the e-commerce section is particularly useful. It allows you to integrate your store data, enabling you to send product recommendations, abandoned cart reminders, and promotional emails that target customer behavior effectively. In the library section, you can manage all your campaign assets, like images and files, keeping them organized and easily accessible whenever you need them. Finally, the report section provides insights into how your campaigns are performing. Monitoring metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions helps you understand what works and where you can improve. Analyzing this data is crucial to refining your strategies and achieving better results with your future campaigns. And there you have it. That's a comprehensive overview of Zoho Campaigns. With these tools at your disposal, you're now well equipped to execute successful email marketing strategies. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.